guys, my name is Winnie. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. 6 months ago, I started with vlogging. I was new in town, I did not have any friends, and due to lockdowns, I had totally nothing to do. I remember, without any experience, I picked my phone and I made my first vlog, of which later on I edited, and it took so long time for me to be able to post it due to doubt and fear, and I just kept it for myself. And after I did it, that tension was just released. And afterwards, it has been one of the most beautiful and a wonderful journey for me as a person. And 6 months later, here I am. I have made new friends, I have learned a lot of new skills, and above all, my camera phobia have been kept under the carpet. And with all this, it was time for me to get a reward, to be able to explore more, especially with my editing skills. And that's why my MacBook story fit in this vlog of today, because I just want to share with you my journey and what I have been up to until this moment. So let's do the ding ding, because I have already unboxed them before. We are going to re-unbox them together. Stay tuned. So let's start with this small box. This is a MagicMouse. It is wireless, rechargeable, and with a multi-touch surface which allows the user to perform simple gestures such as swiping and scrolling smoothly. And as they have explained, I hope it will make my editing and multitasking easier. Let's go to box number 2, shall we? First, for this I was so excited, because even if I have been using iPhones and iPads for the last 8 years, I have never owned a MacBook. So in other words, this is my first MacBook. I am so happy that now my iPad and my iPhones are automatically connected, making it easier for me to transport my photos and my videos across the 3 gadgets. I've still got a lot to learn, because compared to my iPhone that I'm used to in my editing, the MacBook works totally different by itself, because it is a computer. And with the MacBook now, I can't wait to start my next chapter on this YouTube adventure. Thank you so much for everyone who has been supporting my YouTube journey through subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my vlogs. I see you all and I appreciate you so much. Barikiwa tu sana, and may you never lack. See you in my next journey, in my next video. Bye.